Hi everyone, this is Sinan from CarInspected, and well, spring is on the horizon, so one of the things that are usually overlooked are the condition of the air filter on a car. So today we have a 2015 Subaru Outback. This is a manual transmission. It's one of the last years that they made a manual transmission, at least for the North American market. And we're going to be replacing the air filter on this vehicle. It's a 2.5 liter engine. Some cars have it much easier than others. In this case, it's just literally two clips that you open up and you just pull back and the filter is out. You inspect the filter by just pointing it towards the light, and you'll see that there's a significant reduction in the amount of light that comes in when compared to a new filter. So that tells you the less light that passes through this one, the more the filter is worn and it needs a replacement. Once you have this removed, you just want to clean the surrounding area just to make sure there's no dirt or anything that got stuck in there from the old filter. Then you simply slide in the new one. And you line up the tabs at the tabs at the bottom, and two clips, and you're in business. So that is how to change the air filter on this Subaru 2015. If you want to make it much easier, you'd want to unclip this mass airflow sensor and then the intake clamp, and that piece becomes completely loose where you'd have much more freedom. Now, when compared to other models, other vehicles, for example this BMW, I prepped it open. In this case, there are clips that are shaped in this manner. You just simply open them and you remove the cover and you inspect the filter. Now you can see this filter has been recently replaced. It's not too old, so you can see how it lets the air, or it lets the light in. So this air filter is in a much better condition, and you'd want to wait off before replacing it. And you simply put this back this way and you clip it back. This specific model is the N54. That's a 3-liter twin turbo. That one has 5 clips for the air filter. Different models, some of them they might have screws that need to be removed, some of them are Phillips heads, some of them are Torx, like the Audi A4s, etc. There are different procedures. Please refer to the user manual for more details for your specific car and the engine within that car, because sometimes different engines on the same car have different air filter arrangements. I hope that this helps someone out there. Let us know if you have any questions or any comments in the comment section below, and we'll see you on the next video.